helmet.
Yeah.
Now, go out there, show them what four-wheel drive can do.
Hey guys, it's Corey. So today we're going to be going over this autocross video from February. And this was the first time taking out the car in the rain and first time on track in the rain. So this first lap I'm just trying to get the feel for the car, trying to make sure I don't DNF the course. So I'm doing this one a little bit slower than normally would be done. Just trying to figure out where the grip is, if I'm going to get understeer, oversteer, or whatever's going on with the less traction with the rain. So feels like I'm doing this course a lot slower than normal. This was the first time up at this area as well, and it was the Storm Stadium. Not taking the turns quite as well as I should be, and we're finishing up the lap here. And for this time, it'll be a 56.372.
You gotta show that Evo off. you gotta show why the WRX is a thing that competes with it.
Yeah.
So fastest time today is gonna be this lap right here. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, buddy, go get it.
That guy had a lot of motivation, but let's be honest, I was not keeping up with an Evo with a stock WRX. So I switched over the audio to the Gopro, so this is more what you'll actually hear in the car. The other one is just to hear the blow-off valve, since we've installed that since the previous WRX, or since the previous autocross. So this one going through a little bit faster, trying to be a little bit more smooth, and we're getting through the course a little bit more efficiently. Trying to floor it in certain sections, trying to make sure I don't spin out or slide or understeer or anything like that. Taking a better line, which is helping out. The exhaust that we installed is helping me be able to actually hear the car now, so I'm not actually just hearing air. For this one, it was a 53.307. So we dropped off 3 seconds on that one. For the third run, I forgot to turn the GoPro on, so now we get to just stare at my helmet and me driving. And we're back to the engine bay audio. For this lap, I'm trying to push a little bit too hard. So I'm trying to drive a little bit beyond my limits in the car in the wet at the current time, and it's going to show. I didn't actually write down the end time on the screen. Once we get to that portion, then I'll tell you what it was. When we finished up this one, it was 54.5, so about a second slower. Alright, for the last lap, trying to turn on the GoPro, trying to check to see if the red light's flashing. Surprise, surprise, it was not on. So we get to get the engine bay audio on again, and me driving through. You will notice that this is a lot more of a smooth run, and ends up being our fastest run of the day. That shift into second is so harsh in this car. So I usually just try to shift into second as soon as possible, and then just stay in second the rest of the lap. Turned in a little too early on that one, so there's still more time to be had. Just wasn't happening today. And right here, I get a little bit of oversteer, but luckily since it's all-wheel drive, you can just power through it and you'll be going straight again. And this one was our fastest time of the day. 53.080. I was still the slowest WRX for the day, but it's only my third event with the car.